The Philippines will not change if people keep holding on to blind loyalty. Yung pagiging panatiko na kahit may malinaw na pagkukulang o mali yung tao, you still defend them without thinking. This kind of mindset keeps the country stuck kasi you choose the person over the truth. I don't support the Marcos administration. Hindi ako bumoto dyan, ayaw ko dyan. Pero I support the Philippines and I respect him as the elected president. Kayo ang naglagay sa kanya sa pwesto, kayo ang bumoto dyan. As citizens, our duty is to stay patriotic and focus on what helps the country, even if we don't fully agree with the current leadership. Supporting the country does not mean you cannot question the government. Hindi ganun yun. It only means you care about the future of the nation more than the personal biases. Diba? Yung mga personal bias natin. Pag pinapairal mo ang pagiging panatiko, you will not see the real issues. You ignore the wrong things your idol did. And you defend them just because ayaw mong mapahiya or you feel loyal to them. Instead of helping the country move forward, you end up protecting someone who may not be doing what is best. This mindset always delays progress. It also makes it hard to hold leadership accountable kasi you choose to close your eyes to their mistakes. Kung ganito pa rin ang mindset ng marami, the Philippines will not move forward. Hindi talaga tayo uusad if we continue to choose loyalty to a person over loyalty to the truth, then we are only making things harder for the country. Only then can the Philippines move toward real improvement. Di ba?